Scene script. Picture this. You're settled in, enjoying a cozy evening at home, when suddenly, the sound of dripping water echoes from your fireplace. Imagine the scene. It's a chilly evening, the kind that makes you want to curl up with a good book and a cup of hot cocoa. The fireplace is crackling, filling the room with a comforting warmth. You're nestled on your favorite couch, wrapped in a blanket, lost in a world of your own. Everything is perfect, just as you like it. Suddenly, the soothing rhythm of the dancing flames is interrupted by an unexpected sound. A drip, drip, drip that seems to come from nowhere. You glance around, trying to locate the source of the noise. It's coming from the fireplace, from the chimney. Your heart sinks. The last thing you need right now is a leaky chimney. The tranquility of your evening is shattered. Questions rush through your mind. How did this happen? Could it be the rain outside? But you've had rain before, and this has never happened. What if it's something serious? What if it's not just the rain, but a sign of a bigger problem? The peace of your cozy night is replaced with confusion and concern. The drip, drip, drip continues, each drop a reminder of the problem you now face. It's a disruption you didn't ask for, a disruption you certainly don't need. This is the reality of a leaking chimney. It's a silent intruder, one that slips in unnoticed until it's too late. It's a ticking time bomb, waiting to explode and disrupt the peace of your home. The sound of the rain was once a soothing background to your cozy evenings, but now it's a harbinger of trouble. Each drop that hits your roof is a potential threat, a potential destroyer of your tranquility. This is a scenario no homeowner wants to face, especially during a heavy downpour. A leaky chimney, though often overlooked, can cause significant damage to your home. It's like a silent, unseen villain operating behind the scenes, gradually eating away at the safety and comfort of your abode. The potential damage a leaky chimney can cause is far from trivial. It's not just about the inconvenience of a damp hearth or a bit of water trickling down the bricks. No, the implications are far more serious and far-reaching. Let's start with the structural damage. Water, as benign as it might seem, is incredibly potent in its ability to erode and degrade structures. It can seep into the masonry, causing the bricks to crumble and the mortar to break down. Over time, this can compromise the stability of the chimney and, by extension, your home. But the damage doesn't stop at the bricks and mortar. The water can find its way into the interior of your house, staining ceilings and walls, ruining your decor, and creating an unsightly mess. In worse cases, it may even lead to electrical issues if it seeps into your wiring. Then there's the issue of mold growth. The damp, humid conditions created by a leaky chimney are the perfect breeding ground for mold. Not only is this unsightly and damaging to your home, but it can also have significant health implications. Mold can trigger allergies, cause respiratory issues, and lead to a host of other health problems. This is why regular chimney inspection and repair is so crucial. It's about more than just maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your home. It's about ensuring the safety and health of everyone living in it. A professional from Emberstone, Charlotte, can help you identify any leaks, assess the extent of the damage, and provide effective solutions. They have the expertise and experience to ensure your chimney is in top-notch condition, protecting your home from the unseen villain that is a leaky chimney. Ignoring a leaky chimney is not an option. It's a threat lurking in the shadows, waiting to wreak havoc on your home. So, don't wait for the damage to be done. Take action today. To understand the importance of chimney inspection and repair, we've solicited the opinions of experts in the field. Now, let's delve into the wisdom of these experts. Time and again, they underline the significance of regular chimney inspection and repair. A stitch in time saves 9, they say, and this could not be truer when it comes to chimney maintenance. One expert, a seasoned professional with over 20 years of experience in the field, shared an insightful perspective. Many homeowners overlook the importance of chimney inspections. They are often seen as an unnecessary expense, but the truth is, they are an investment in your home's safety and longevity. Experts explain that common issues often found during inspections include creosote buildup, chimney blockages, cracks in the flue, and deteriorating mortar. Each one of these issues, if left unattended, can lead to significant problems. Creosote buildup, for instance, is a significant fire hazard. In fact, it's one of the leading causes of chimney fires. A simple sweep can help prevent such a disastrous event. Chimney blockages, on the other hand, can lead to carbon monoxide poisoning, a silent and deadly killer. Regular inspections can ensure that your chimney is clear and safe. Cracks in the flue or deteriorating mortar can allow water to seep into your home. This can lead to water damage, mold growth, and even structural issues. Timely repairs can save you from a whole lot of trouble and expense down the line. The experts unanimously agree. Regular inspections and timely repairs not only save you money in the long run, but also safeguard your home and your family's health. They emphasize that chimney maintenance is not a luxury, but a necessity. As we wrap up this segment, let's remember the wisdom of these experts. As our experts have emphasized, prevention is better than cure when it comes to maintaining your chimney. So don't wait for a disaster to strike. Make chimney maintenance a priority today. When it comes to chimney maintenance, Emberstone Charlotte has got you covered. There's no denying the importance of maintaining your chimney. It's not just about keeping your home warm and cozy during those chilly winter nights, but also about ensuring the safety of your home. At Emberstone Charlotte, we offer an array of services designed to keep your chimney in top-notch condition. Our chimney cleaning service is a thorough process that removes soot, creosote, and other debris that can build up over time. This not only improves the efficiency of your chimney, but also reduces the risk of chimney fires. But we don't stop at cleaning. We also provide comprehensive chimney inspections. Using modern tools and techniques, our experienced team assesses the structural integrity of your chimney, checking for any damage or potential issues. This proactive approach helps catch problems early, often saving homeowners from costly repairs down the line. And speaking of repairs, if your chimney does need some TLC, Emberstone Charlotte is ready to step in. Whether it's a minor fix or a major overhaul, our team of qualified professionals is equipped to handle it. We understand that every chimney is unique, and so we tailor our repair solutions to meet your specific needs. But what truly sets us apart is our commitment to customer satisfaction. We believe in providing not just top-quality services, but also an exceptional customer experience. From the moment you reach out to us, our friendly and knowledgeable staff is there to guide you through the process, answering your questions and addressing your concerns. We pride ourselves on our transparency, providing clear and detailed estimates, so you know exactly what to expect. And with our prompt and reliable service, you can trust that we'll get the job done right and on time. So whether it's a routine cleaning, an in-depth inspection, or a critical repair, Emberstone Charlotte is your chimney's best friend. We're here to ensure that your chimney is safe, efficient, and ready to keep you warm all winter long. With Emberstone Charlotte, you can rest easy knowing your chimney is in capable hands. Don't wait for a rainy day to discover your chimney needs repair. It's a simple piece of advice that can save you a world of trouble. You see, it's not just about dealing with a leaky chimney on a stormy night. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing your home is safeguarded, your sanctuary protected. Think of your chimney as a silent sentinel, tirelessly standing guard over your home. It braves the elements, withstands the seasons, and takes the brunt of Mother Nature's moods. And just like any other hard-working component of your home, it needs regular attention and care. Routine chimney inspection and maintenance are not just necessary, they're paramount. They're the only way to ensure your chimney is in tip-top shape, ready to take on whatever weather comes its way. But the benefits aren't just practical, they're psychological too. There's a certain comfort, a certain peace of mind that comes from knowing your home is shielded from potential harm. Imagine settling in for a cozy night at home, the rain pattering against the windows, the wind howling in the trees. In the heart of your home, a fire crackles merrily in the fireplace, casting a warm, inviting glow. There's no worry, no nagging doubt in the back of your mind about the integrity of your chimney. You know it's secure, you know it's safe because you've taken the steps to ensure it. That's the kind of assurance that Emberstone Charlotte provides. As industry experts, they're dedicated to providing top-notch chimney cleaning, inspection, and repair services. They're committed to ensuring your chimney is ready to withstand the harshest weather conditions, and they're passionate about providing the peace of mind that comes from knowing your home is protected. So take action today. Contact Emberstone Charlotte and ensure your chimney is ready for whatever Mother Nature throws its way. A leaky chimney can turn a cozy night at home into a homeowner's nightmare. It's a phrase that rings true for many, and it's a situation we at Emberstone Charlotte are committed to help you avoid. Let's recap what we've discussed. We began by painting a picture of a warm, inviting night disrupted by the unpleasant surprise of a leaking chimney. A situation that's not only disruptive, but can lead to structural damage and costly repairs if not addressed promptly. We then delved into the unseen culprit behind such scenarios: neglect and lack of proper maintenance. It's easy to overlook the chimney, a component of our homes that often remains out of sight and out of mind. But as we've emphasized, neglect can lead to problems, and these problems can escalate during periods of heavy rain. This brings us to the importance of expert opinions. A professional chimney inspection can identify potential issues before they become major problems. It's about being proactive rather than reactive, and it's a service that Emberstone Charlotte proudly provides. We've also talked about our role as your chimney's best friend. Our team is trained and equipped to clean, inspect, and repair your chimney, ensuring it remains in optimal condition and continues to serve its purpose effectively and safely. And finally, we've stressed the importance of not waiting for the rain. Regular maintenance and inspection can identify and address issues early, preventing the unpleasant surprise of a leaky chimney during a downpour. In conclusion, a well-maintained chimney is not just about avoiding leaks. It's about protecting your home, your investment, and your peace of mind. It's about ensuring you can enjoy those cozy nights by the fire without worry. Emberstone Charlotte is here to help make that a reality. Protect your home, protect your peace of mind. Trust Emberstone Charlotte with your chimney needs.